Ops Manual Overview. Operation Manual Description and Parts. The Ops Manual is designed to provide all relevant information about an account in order to understand, navigate, and aid in the operation of the account. It consists of a job action form, account description, setup, square feet and unit count, scope of work, and account retuning worksheets. The role of the employee: to provide management assistance in completing the manual for the account in which they are assigned. Your job is to fill out all portions that apply to the account in detail. Some of this will require taking measurements of various floor surface types, counting windows, offices, exam rooms, bathrooms, stairwells, hallways, and other information. Your copy is in essence a rough draft. Once you turn it into the ops manager, it will then complete the final copy. Job action forms. For the first part of this form will be completed by management ahead of time. Here is where you find the account name, address, phone numbers, contact names, alarm codes, and other information. Management will highlight the areas for you to complete. Account description/setup. This sheet is designed to be a step-by-step guide to how the account is set up. Locations of the logbook, light switches, dumpsters, security procedures, etc. Each category is labeled, and a 1 through 5 setup procedure is given out how you are able to describe that section. Here you will find the information for that in detail. Please note, pretend you have never seen the account before and you were assigned to clean it for another tech, or it was one of your new assignments and you needed these descriptions to walk you through the account. Square feet and unit count. Here's where we gather the information and the count of fixtures and types of areas the account consists of. Additionally, we need to know the measurements in square feet of the various floor types in these areas, such as carpet in the lobby, how big? If you measured it's 12 by 20, then it's 240 square feet. That number will be placed in your sheet in the carpet column next to the category lobby. If you have 3 bathrooms, document that number in the appropriate space, and then document how many toilets, sinks, etc. in the appropriate space. Please note, if you have a large account that has a 3 to 5 day frequency, then expect to work on this a little each night, no more than 15 minutes. Scope of work and account retuning worksheets are not part of your responsibility. So in some cases, you may not even see those sheets in your paperwork given to you for this task. This task, when given to you, will be taken seriously. It is an assignment just like anything else and must be completed within budget given by management, or you could face disciplinary action. Additionally, we will provide you with the measurement tool for the square foot counts. Please write legibly. If you don't understand something, contact your supervisor. Do not exclude information or turn in late because of not understanding something.